Invoice number V7688. Today is January 19th, 2023. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace. It is a 7x11 flue. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. Top mount damper has been installed. Basic cleaning has also been performed as well. We are proceeding down with scanning now. Third stage creosote is present. It's in the structure. Staggered tile. Open mortar joint, wide open. Missing cement. More third stage creosote. Another open mortar joint. More third stage creosote. Staggered flue tile. A lot of creosote in here. Another staggered tile. Another open mortar joint. There we go, right there, just behind us. Third stage creosote. Straight shot, 0 offsets are present. Staggered. Another open mortar joint. We are now entering the smoke chamber. The smoke chamber is also unparged. Well, it is parged, but there are areas that do have some exposed brick. There are some gaps present as well. Third stage creosote is present also. We do have some gaps right in between the mortar. They are approximately 25 feet tall in height. Defects have been observed and further recommendations are to follow. Firebox also has a crack with some deteriorating mortar. That concludes the video inspection for the living room fireplace. Defects have been observed.